Happy holidays. My name's Heath Anderson. I help oversee our construction ag division here at Fairchild Equipment. It's been a great year for the company. There's a ton of highlights, a few that jump out at me. First of all, in our own division, on the JCB side would be the new sponsorship with Monster Jam this year. Unbelievable event for our customers and our employees, and I look forward to that continued partnership here moving forward in 2025. For our industrial division, another year scattered with awards due to our teams in the forklift group, our warehousing group, and just a testament to what they do day in and day out. For us, as we move into 2025, this will be 40 years for Fairchild Equipment. And with that, a thank you to our vendors, a thank you to our customers for giving us the opportunities daily, and then a big thank you to our employees who show up each day. Focus on our customer, try to do things as safely as possible to get home to our families each night. Happy holidays, happy new year. Thank you.